Making sense of addition word problems in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another fun and exciting English language learning video. Today, we are going to focus on identifying addition situations in word problems. As we dive into the world of basic mathematical operations, it's essential that we understand how to identify and solve addition problems written in English. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Before we jump into word problems, let's first quickly remind ourselves what addition is. Addition is the mathematical process of bringing two or more numbers together to make a new total. In English, we often use words like plus and total, or combined, to signify addition. For instance, 2 plus 3 equals 5, or the total of 2 and 3 is 5. Now, let's talk about word problems. Word problems are situations or stories that involve a problem which you need to solve using math. They often use everyday language rather than direct mathematical formulas. When you're faced with a word problem, the trick is to identify the situation that implies addition. Look for clues or keywords like together, in all, combined, plus, or and. These words usually suggest that an addition operation needs to be performed. For example, consider this sentence. Lisa has 3 apples, and she finds 2 more. How many apples does Lisa have in all? In this sentence, in all suggests an addition operation, meaning we need to add the number of apples Lisa originally had, 3, to the number she found, 2. Now that we know how to recognize an addition situation, let's put our knowledge to use. I'll give you a word problem, and we'll solve it together. John has 4 books. His friend gives him 3 more books. How many books does John have now? The word now here implies that we need to find a new total, which suggests addition. So, we take the number of books John originally had, 4, and add the number of books his friend gave him, 3. And there we have our answer. John now has 7 books. That wraps up our journey into identifying addition situations in English word problems. I hope this video helps you understand how to spot those critical keywords and solve word problems with confidence. Remember, practice is key, so try to apply these strategies with as many word problems as you can. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!